All right. What's up, you guys? How you guys doing today, huh? Good morning, everybody. Let me reduce the music a little bit so I can hear you better. Yeah, good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, 8 o'clock, Bangkok, Thailand. I'm not late, I'm dead on time, even though I'm super tired. My wife is still sleeping. What's wrong with her, man? She's always so lazy and late to work. We go here, I guess. There we go. I wonder why this isn't working. Let's have a look. Oh, now it is working, okay. Fine, let's close this, let's go here. And we need to edit this a little bit, I guess. Alright, so, if you watched yesterday, I came to this beautiful idea after we looked around something like this. We just checked some forms how to swap Bitcoin, right? And the idea that we had was that we need something to exclude the fee, to exclude it. Because right now, if I call this and I say user first, create by order, and I say market is maybe BTC EUR, and I say volume is 100. I want to buy for 100 euro Bitcoin. What happens is that 100 minus 1.39%. So we deduct the fee first, and then the leftover is like 98.61. This is actually the amount we convert then into Bitcoin. And as you can see in this case, the user gets indeed 98, where is it? Yeah, 98.61. So I want to do something like exclude fee true or include fee false. Okay, and if we give one of these flags either, then if I buy for 100, I expect him to receive 100 euro worth of Bitcoin, and on top he is getting the fee charged extra. We can do that. To do this, what we have to do is write tests first. So that is so crucial that we write the test first, guys, because otherwise we can't ensure that what we expect is correct. So we need to write our expectation before we do anything else. So what we want to do is we go to the order spec, context fees. Alright, so this all can keep it the way it is. Context fees, and we say context default fees included do. Okay, so and then we say context fees excluded do. Need the same thing, and in this case we're gonna say context by order. It buys, so it buys for 1,000 euro, receives 0.1 Bitcoin, And total charge was receives 1.1 Bitcoin and got charged 1013 euro 0.90 total. Okay, so here we say we make it easier. We make it 10,000. Receives 1 Bitcoin and gets charged 10,000 plus 139 fee. So what we do is it buys for 1,000 euros. So here is then actually exclude fee is true. Okay, does the user have like 10,000? That's an interesting question. See you, babe. Have a nice day. So we go in here and say before do, just to make sure. Okay, and the user has balance. Let's have a look. User add balance Bitcoin. Say he have only 10,000. Okay. So here we say user balances BTC at no EUR. He gets another 500 euro. So he can pay fees. Okay, that looks good. And from here we can say buys for 1,000 euro, for 10,000 euro, receives 1 BTC and got charged total. So exclude fees true. I expect the user balance from Bitcoin to equal 10 plus 1, and I expect the EUR balance to be 10,500 minus 10,139. User create buy order is in this case 10,000 and exclude fee is true. And then we expect the fee to be 139. That is actually correct, dude. Okay, and that is actually good. That is actually a good test. That is something we want. The next thing that we want is the validation. What if I do not have enough money? Well, let's try this. Where's my arrows? Scheduled and volume. Below greater insufficient funds. Okay. There it is. Won't be valid if not enough limit is available. Okay. It won't be valid with excluded fees and insufficient funds due. And I say in this case subject volume is 200, no, it's 10,000. So this should be valid, right? 10,000 is actually valid. I guess this can't be. Well, let's go. Let's run this test quick. 67. If this would pass or fail. I hope this would pass. And then wait, 67. So we say quickly spec models order spec in 67. This should be good though. Subject valid. Okay. Return. Good. And then here we say actually subject exclude fee. It's true. And then we expect him to not be valid. If I actually say here binding pry the user balance, just a second. Let me check the user balance. It should be 10,000 only. Subject user balances. Bitcoin E5. That's 10,000. Perfect. To not be valid. Okay, that is a great test. Nice. So if we go here to create orders, there it is, and then we say t boolean exclude fee default false. Okay, by default we do not exclude fees by default. By default the fee is included. Okay, let's go into that quick. I mean, that's something we like to see. Let's generate migration. At default, add fee to order. I just make a temporary migration. So the idea is that I want to have it still in this place. And then I don't want to use my test database because it's full with useful data. So we can say add column, orders, exclude fee, and then it's boolean. And I say recta be migrate. So in this test database that we have here, this looks really nice. I don't want to mess up that data because it's a really nice data we can have to work with. So I just make an extra migration. It's done, and now I can delete that migration. So that sounds useful to me. Okay, now I guess we can, let's delete that quick. I think this is kind of like it. We need the same for the selfie. Okay, we need the same for, what is here, sell order, sells 1 BTC and receives. Yeah, I'll be back in 1 minute, guys. Alright, back. Sorry guys. Didn't want to let you wait. Okay, so I guess we have to do exactly the same thing here that fees excluded. So we say here in a scope contact sell order do, and I say sells 1 BTC and receives 10,000 but gets charged an extra for fees. Wait, no. Oh shit. So in a sell order, we do not charge Bitcoin as a fee. We charge actually Euro as a fee. Tricky. I mean, okay, this is bonus, I guess. Yeah, it saves the okay, this is really bonus now. Like, I don't even know if I want these. I have to think about this. That is really bonus. Like, that goes on top, mate. Imagine. Oh, well, that's sick ass refactoring. Let's run this here. Let's run this. R spec. That is interesting as hell. I think we have three failing tests. 3 only. Shit. What is it called? Balance sec? Okay. Wait, what? There it is. Balances. No wonder. Alright, so I guess we get 3 failing tests now. Those 3 that we just wrote, they're all failing. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, this is wrong here, cause we have 9,500. That's 9,500. I guess now it's correct, yeah. And sell order. So then this is $10,500 plus. Okay, now they should be good. So those are the tests that we then have to work on. 2, 3. All right, 3 failing tests. Those are the 3 ones that we just built. I'm gonna concentrate on this test here in 303. No, buy order, wait, 287. That's the one we are looking for here now. Buys for 10,000 euro, receives 1 Bitcoin, exclude fees. True. Okay, let's go. Order RB and user RB. So if I say user RB, create by order. Here we need something like exclude fee is args fetch exclude fee and default is false. And then we give this into our order and say exclude fee is exclude fee. Okay, exclude fee. It's default false. So we call it with true, right? Where's my test? Yes, exclude fee true. That is like we give it explicitly. Okay, now let's go into the order. Where is my fee calculation? Trades sum fee. Well, that is not true anymore. What is touch fee? Where is it from? I don't know yet. Oh, okay, the trade is doing the fee. Oh, shit, dude. That's getting really complicated, I tell you this, guys. So, the fee in the order model is decided by the trades. So where is validates volume? User has enough balance. If exclude fee, then we say expected volume and here we say expected volume is volume times we have the user fee table, I guess. Fee table by fee percent and yeah, by fee percent. What is this? This is 1 point. Okay, so okay, this gets refactored, don't worry guys, this is just to make it kind of like work and then we refactor later. This isn't the best code. So that is the idea that we say before we check if the user has the whole volume, but now we have to check does he have the volume and the fees. So we can say like, yeah, that's okay. I think the first test, which is actually 67, might pass already. Because that's just a validation check. This goes to user. Okay, that seems to me correct. I want to make a positive test for this. Exclude fee. right there, it scope excluded piece context. So what I want to do here is I want to say it is valid. It will be valid. So I say volume is 10,000. Expect user to be valid. And before I do this, I have to say user. I'm interested to see if this passes. It should be good. It should be fine. Yeah, great. So here it's passing, here it's failing. If I give him like 138.99, he's failing. Watch that. Because then he can't pay the fee. There it is. So, but with 139, it is quite good. Okay. So that is the first thing that I like. I want to check my whole order spec, if this will break anything, and if not, then we can leave it alone. Okay, those two fails are expected. And then we say spec models, just to make sure that there are no side effects yet. Features we don't need. But this should not, there should be no side effect on that actually. Those are most likely the two fails that we expect. And then if there's no other fail, then I'm like, okay, this should maybe be correct. Like, yeah. I mean, I can't think of a side effect because this is just some optional stuff. This whole thing is only affected if we give him the flag exclude fee is true, but you never know, right? Okay, so this is fine. Good. So validation is correct. Now what we need to do here is there something with fee? Touch fee, no. Trade sum. All right, let's go into the trade. So in my trade, there is set fee. And I think this is what we need to... Wait, no, the fee is correct. The fee is correct. Set fee. Touch order fee. Wait, what is this? Set fee. Touch order fee. No, here. Buyer set, seller set to receive. That's it. Okay, what we do here is... Wait, I think we can't do this. Shit, I think we can't do this. I think this whole idea is broken. I have a question. If I say, I like, so this whole idea, what I try to do is just broken. It won't work. And the reason for that is easy. If we say we have a buy order for 10,000 and we know that the fee goes on top, we have to reserve the balance accordingly. That is pretty bad, huh? If we can't reserve the balance accordingly, that means you create that order for 10,000 and we only reserve 10,000. Pretty bad. What I can do is maybe say, let's have a look. Okay, so base is 10,000. So I want to have volume is base. Base to, wait, I can do this. Okay. To D actually. So what I can do, volume is base divided by 100. Okay, that is one thing. And then I say base plus. And then times percent. Oh, well, that's actually not true. What I want to do is, okay, base is... Okay, no. Base is just... This is what we need. And then times 100. Plus percent. Wait, is that the same? No, because if I say now V divided by this times... Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, so if I have 10,000 and the fee is 139, I need to figure that out quickly. So wait, 10,000 divided by 100 minus 1.39. Times 100. That's it actually. So this is T. But what if you say T round 8 maybe? Okay, and now we say this is T, and we say T. We say the following. These are first. Create by order. My volume is this. E3. Let's have a look. $0.01 Bitcoin. That could be cool. Okay, I mean, this is something we could do. So if we say, very easy actually. Let's see what we did here. So that's all we need. So we don't need to do anything here in the trade, I guess. All we have to do is here for the fee. Okay. Either has enough balance. So we don't need this anymore, I guess. Okay, we say before validation. Before validation, and we say add fee to volume if exclude fee. So we make this quick. Def add fee to volume. Now that's all we need basically. We need to say the volume to D. So expected fee is volume to D divided by 100 minus, and then is user by fee times 100 to D. And then we can call this round 8. And then we can say here self volume is volume plus expected fee. Okay. We say here something like def expected volume. And expected volume is volume plus expected fee. No, we say if exclude else volume, and then we can say this. Okay, and then here we say actually this. We go for expected volume. Okay, and then we don't need this anymore. Let me run my test here quick. 76, 67. Could work, could fail. Buy fee. Well, it's not buy fee, buddy. It's the user buy fee percent. Okay, hopefully that might be good. Uh, 75. Let's see this here actually quick. So what is subject? So the user has 10,139, okay. And I say subject is in this case 10,000 to buy. So if I have 10,000 to buy, so of course too much. Right, this is also stupid. It's the price get a set ticker. No, it's volume. Unrelated to price, dude. Volume. What do we expect here? I say subject and expected fees. I can call that 10,000. So that's my expected volume. Yeah. That is like, I actually, to be honest, I prefer it the way we did it. I don't prefer it the way Coinbase is doing by data logic. Like, if we have a look, where's Coinbase? Where was Coinbase shit? This one here. Right? So they say, nah, fee goes on top. I don't like that. Where was it? Here, I guess. Okay, I don't like this anyways. So that is like the... I don't like it so much. Doesn't make so much sense at all. I mean, it makes sense for Coinbase, but it doesn't make sense for us. Like, I feel this is like unhonest. If I go here, what happens? Does it show can change or something? So the idea is now, let's have a look. The idea is that he has 141, that's enough. Okay, this is maybe something we could do. So now he's valid on both sides. That pry can go away. Don't you have enough funds, buddy? That's really interesting. Okay, we go in 75 explicitly and say at the order. There we go, and we say binding pry. Let's have a look what we do here. We want to buy for 10,000. We should have enough. Oh, expected volume is 20,000. Sounds a little bit stupid. Expected volume is definitely calculated wrong. Expected fee is volume. Wait, expected fee. Let's do this here again. 10,000. Wait, volume is 10,000 divided by 100 minus, okay, 10,000 minus expected total. This is better, I guess. Let's do this one more time. Oh, we just needed this actually. That looks a little bit better, I guess. So if I take this actually, minus 1.39%, that's exactly 10,000, so that's cool. I'm okay with that. Expected volume. Okay, that's fine. So now these tests are failing. So it's right there. 41 is enough. Okay, so both are good. So binding goes away. Fine. And then we need to say something like, We have to do here is then... Oh shit, dude. How do we do that? Well, before we create this whole thing, we have to actually say that the volume is more. So before we create this, before create, after validation maybe. Hello, Baba Gaming officials. How you doing? Good morning. What's up, Baba? I really wonder. So after create, no, it's before create, and we have to say self volume is expected volume if exclude fee. Maybe it's this way. Are you a programmer, Baba? Let me know. Tell me about yourself. Are you a Ruby on Rails developer? Or are you just interested? Oh yeah, I'm from Germany as well. Guten Morgen. Hallo, gute Nacht actually. Expected volume if exclude fee. Okay, I think this could be good. This could be good. Our test setup is still wrong. Exclude fee. So this won't be correct though. This will be correct. I don't know what the fee would be, but the fee would be 10,000. No, the fee would be actually this. We had it here. That would be the fee. There is no doubt about it. Okay. Saves the fee on the ledger entry. Let's not do sell order here quick. Let's go in 296. 296. I'm excited. That could probably work already. So this is then what we get. So Baba Gaming, tell me about yourself a little bit. The fee. Fee. Round 8, that's interesting. So there's a rounding actually. Wait, minus fee? That is the issue. That is percent. Okay, let's go. Let's run this again. Okay, so the functionality is there. The functionality is there indeed. Let's go for sell order. Interesting about that. 312. This will fail. Tja, but gets charged an extra. Okay, for sell order we don't Oh, that's cool. It's always like, I feel like young people are more interested in app development for mobiles. That's kind of like the future for them. I personally don't like it so much. I don't like mobiles so much at all. Like, I don't know. My wife, she say, yeah, let's book flights. She pulls out her phone. I'm like, yeah, let's book flights. I go on my computer, like my 2 screens, everything is smooth. Nah, I do on my phone. I'm like, this tiny little screen here, dude. I can't even with my big fat fingers touch anything accurate. And like, okay, so by first we can say that this option is ignored on sell orders. So if we go user exclude, okay, and then we say, yeah, up, just a second. Here we can say if type is sell, then exclude fee is false by default. But I think this belongs more into the order, order model. But I have built a motorized slider for my camera. I know ESP32. Oh, that's actually... Okay, I guess you did some tutorials there, right? But that's actually quite a good job, man. Congratulations on that. For the first project, that seems to be a lot. You must be a super smart guy. So what we do, yeah, okay, we keep this here first. If order exclude fee. Okay, yeah. We have to say it somewhere here. Exclude fee, and then we say sell order. That's false, otherwise it's super. Oh, I never used that, man. Android Studio. Oh, no, I didn't use that. No. I had something that looked similar. I did some microcontroller stuff, Android stuff, and that was also like, I didn't like it so much. I didn't even succeed. Like, the easiest program with like getting an LED to light, that was already in, I don't know, too much for me. I guess, wait, I guess if I say, let's see, A is, oh, and now you follow me already, wow. That's pretty cool, nice, thank you. So that means every time, I stream the same time, it's 9 o'clock here in Thailand, I live in Thailand. So it's 4 o'clock in Germany, so same time for you every day. I stream. This actually. So order list. Create sell order. I don't want to buy, I want to sell. Exclude fee true. Can I sell 1 Bitcoin? I think I should have enough Bitcoins, dude. What? I don't have enough Bitcoin? How much Bitcoin I have? 46. Why I can't sell 10 Bitcoin? Like if I go my wallets, I have 46 Bitcoin. Sell. Very interesting. Yeah, good night, good night. Oh, the holidays, sure. Students get holidays, sure. Wait, is there something like open orders? Oh, it's right here. It's the available balance 6. All right, thank you for coming by, and yeah, I hope you liked it. But continue your programming journey. Programming is fun, buddy. It's always nice to see people interested in this kind of stuff. So what did I do here now? Volume is untouched. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I guess he gave him these functionality here right now. I don't even know if this is fail-safe. Let's read this code again. Exclude fee for the order. Before create. Order spec, and then as user create buy order, create sell order. Okay. Gene, good morning. My red hair is gone. It's blonde. And it's growing out, as you can see. It's not nice. It's growing out. But yeah, I like it. It looks fancy. It looks fancy. Oh, I need to order food. Just a second. I miss it. Shit. Nourish. Let me quickly submit my food order for the day. Damn it. So what day is today? Today is Monday, 26th August. And I take this. Good. Let me tell them quick. Good. All right, let's continue. How you doing, Gene? How is life? I just built a functionality that I can say. Have a look. I can say this should be good. Like normally you say user first create buy order. And in this case you say market is BTC EUR and I say volume is like 0.1. Sorry. 100. So I want to buy for 100 euro Bitcoin, and then I get fees deducted. Then I get fees deducted. Wait. Just a second. Okay. So the trade that we just did, have a look at it. It's if you go transactions, you see it. You get only 0.09 because the fees get deducted. Okay. So the idea is that we can give a flag and then we calculate the expected fee on top. So yeah. Let's do this. I show you this and we say exclude fee is true. Let's have a look now. Now I get 0.1 Bitcoin. 0.01 Bitcoin. Okay. And for that reason, it's this. Of course, you could argue the reality is it should be just this. So 100 plus 1.39. But calculate the fee, the trading fee. Like every time you buy, you have 1.39% fee. So the argument is, do it like Coinbase does it. I show you how Coinbase does it. They do it, where is this? This way. So you say you want to buy for $100 and that's your subtotal, and then they throw the fee on top. But our order object, the way we calculate data is exactly the opposite, so we can't even do that. Like, we just can't. I could build this, but that means actually I have to completely change all my logic of all my order, how the whole way the order works. I don't want to do that. I don't feel that's so cool. So yeah, just what it is, right? Just what it is. So it is possible. I don't know if we're gonna use this method now, but let's say the following: price set BTC is like, that's the price now, and I say I create a buy order for 584321. Let's have a look. I hope I bought 1 Bitcoin. Yes, 1 Bitcoin. So it is possible though. It is possible. Okay. Let's sell some. Create sell order. Oh, I don't even have so much Bitcoin, huh? Transactions, vaults, wallet. Oh, we still have Bitcoin, okay. So, current balance, okay. So that's cancelled. That goes back into my account balance. See, now I have 11. If I cancel this, I say withdraw, find 7. That gets cancelled. And that one, the 6 also gets cancelled. All my Bitcoins come back, and the 2 and the 1. And the 1. And number 4 we can't cancel because that's already confirmed and ready. There you go. Okay, now we are full with Bitcoin. They are all cancelled. All my Bitcoins back. Is that correct? 35, 39 on top. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay. Incoming. That's confirmed, but what is 4, 5, 6, 7? Interesting. Where are these coming from? Oh, I wait. Wallet, deposit, where block ID is nil. Okay. Pending. So that is those 3, and then I say delete all. Okay, now they are gone. Okay, now it's better. Now it looks correct. Nothing reserved, nothing in deposits. That is correct now. Fine. Good. Okay, so this seems to be good. It seems to not break anything. So if I say... If I just recreate my database and then I just run all my aspects together, nothing is broken. So we just gave additional functionality, which I don't even know if you're gonna use them in the future, but it's possible now. It is possible to say, hey, I make these weird buy orders. And this is all fee. Okay, Gene, are you a designer? Do you want to design me the form how you can buy Bitcoin? I don't know, man. It needs to be something like this, yeah? We need something like... The Coinbase form seems to be good. What is this? Sell Bitcoin? Yeah, yeah. Gene, we are all designers. Don't be so negative with yourself, my friend. See, if you're a front-end developer, you're a designer. Batch! In your face, Batch! What's up, Batchy? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Okay, so all tests are good. Let's diff this quick. So yeah, exclude fee only. Add fee to volume. Oh, we don't need that anymore. Add fee to volume doesn't exist. Okay. Expected volume. So we add this up. And if it's a buy order, we could say exclude fees. And we always look up for the expected volume. And the expected volume is only if exclude fee is true. Then we throw this on top. And we add this to the database. Here we do, I don't know. If buy order, that's... Okay, so the fee also needs to be calculated correctly with 8 digits max. And this is how we give it into the method to call it. And then that's just database stuff. We write the test and that's good. Git status, git add, git commit. What did we do? Add support for exclude fee on the order model. If set to true, by order only, the volume will be the executed volume, and we add fees on top. So if the user say he wanna buy for 10,000, he gets $1 Bitcoin, and the fee and the total charge is 10,100. Okay. Git push. Okay, all test screen. Okay. Solved. Problem solved. The problem is solved, guys. Okay, what we want to do next? Tell me, Gene, what are we doing now? What's next? What's coming next? Should we do this recent order stuff? The recent withdrawal? I don't know, you tell me. Recent deposits? No, recent deposits is okay. And I really like this. This is the best. So what's next step? What we do next? I really wanted to do the settings things. This whole settings things. I don't know. You tell me what to do. Internal settings. Internal settings. Just a second. Brett tray. Yeah, well, why not? You have to support me here a little bit. Okay. We should do this. What is this? Security. So it's like home security and then like change settings. Is that something like... I mean, there's so much more, like change password, like internal... Where is change password? Internal security, oh. Security password, we can change that already. Okay, so we need something like, if I go settings, this should be like security, like a security overview page. And from there I can say, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. Right? It makes sense, I guess. So here I want like, not settings, I want, if I go internal hammer, I go here is security. Now, is this the correct icon for security? What do you think? If I go... Release the code to help you. Well, you could just... I mean, you have all the code. If I go here, order RV. Well, feel free. I mean, all you have to do is just to copy pasta this. And then you take the trade. And then here's the trade. Right, and then from here you go to the ledger entry, which is here. Good. Now you have it everything. So you could write this by yourself and it's working. You know what? I guess if somebody is really doing that, it's not working. Like, okay, you could just copy pasta this. It won't work, man. Like, do you see how many models I have here? Like, I'm pretty sure I didn't show every model. I mean, I could. But holy shit. That's a lot of models, and those are just the specs. If you go like... Imagine somebody really wants to copy paste this. I don't know. This is just too much, I think. Okay. Well, what you want to see, like, that's a lot. Like, a lot. Like, this is really a lot of models. Like, I don't know, man. You are funny today, Gene. So we need a better icon, I guess. Not fantastic. What is this? Icon. So we need something for security. Do you have a good suggestion for security? It's always difficult to find good icons for me. I kind of like, I don't know why. Why is Font Awesome so slow as usual? Horrible website, dude. I don't know, I try here like... Okay, now it's working on my full screen. Okay, we go in here. So, security. Shield check. That looked good already. Shield. Oh, that's a pro version? Really? Oh, stupid. Secure. Free. Okay, only show me the free ones. Maybe user shield? What do you think? Okay, verification gets ID card for sure. Verification gets the ID card. There it is. Right. I can say here now. Okay, now we back. Secure. Maybe key. Key could be it. I like this better. ID card. Oh, this is what we have? Wait. What's the difference? Oh, it's solid and regular. Okay. Wow. But it's the same one. If I click on it. Sometimes Font Awesome is weird, man. And the website is so slow. Okay, now we secure. What else do we have? Like safe. Yeah, user shield maybe. Right, settings. Security. I mean, at the end, all settings are kind of like security related, right? You know what? I call this setting Cox. If I use a shared security, that seems like a little bit not what I want. All right, we go to security. There is security actually. I think we also have settings, right? So API keys, two-factor, password, IP, emergency routes, emergency password, withdrawal options. Man, we have so much stuff here. Wallets, vaults, verification. Okay, history. Recurring buys. We need recurring buys for sure. Okay, so wait, but setting is something else. Internal settings edit. Yeah, that's something else. Maybe this can go into the security namespace. Let's have a look. I have app controllers. And then here security. What do we have here? Settings controller. Can't update settings.